Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you a few of the testing job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience. So what I'll do is I'll share a few of the job opportunities and first of all, we have few remote job opportunities that is 3-month contract and it is extendable. So they are looking for full-time freelancers and independent consultants who can join, who can work from anywhere and they are looking for software testers who can perform manual testing, who can do automation testing, front end, back end testing, everything. And this is the email address wherein you can apply. Then henceforth, Solutions Private Limited is hiring for Nest.js developer, manual testers, project coordinators, and the location is Mohali. Interview mode would be face to face only. And you can also share your resume to this email address. Then there is a company Doc Online which is hiring for QA engineer and in Hyderabad. So they are hiring for 3 to 5 years of experience in test automation and performance testing. So you can share your resume at careers@doconline.com along with your CTC and notice period using the email subject line as application for QA engineer. Then there is a requirement for QA manual tester with 2+ years of experience to join the team. And they are looking for someone who can design the test cases, maintain the test cases, and execute them. And they are looking for 2+ years of experience in manual testing, strong knowledge of SDLC and defect lifecycle, and experience testing in web as well as mobile-based auto applications, and basic SQL knowledge is required. And it's a full-time job opportunity, and the location is Indore. And this is the email address when you can apply. Then there is a requirement for manual test lead at Birlasoft company. So they need someone who can lead the team and who is able to resolve, address, and solve the functional issues, as well as someone who is Scrum certified and can solve the technical queries from the test team. So this is a email address wherein you can apply. Then HCL Tech is hiring for testing SDIT and automation with 4 to 8 years of experience. So you can apply for this particular position. The mandatory skills is Java, REST Assured, Cucumber, BDD, JUnit, DB, Git, Jenkins, Postman, and the location would be Pune and Vadodara. Notice period is immediate joiners preferred, and you can share your CV to this email address. Then there is a requirement for SDITs. So the open position SD2, 3+ years of experience is required. Someone who is having hands-on experience with Selenium, APM, Cypress, Playwright, and framework development, programming skills, API testing, mobile testing, database testing, CI/CD, performance testing, cloud and DevOps, backend and JavaScript, agile testing. So all these things are required, and they are looking for immediate joiners or someone who is serving the notice period. And you can share your resume at this particular email address. Right. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates as we'll be sharing these particular job opportunities, the work from home, the remote jobs for testers free of cost. We are not charging anything. So I request you to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.